TV writers in Hollywood are trying to end gender pay disparity, and they're doing it with a spreadsheet. This week, writers began circulating an anonymous spreadsheet that linked to a survey where they could list their salary, gender, job title, and if they're a person of color. It's received hundreds of entries so far, and according to the entries, the differences in pay between men and women are significant. We should note the accuracy and authenticity of the data hasn't been verified. But still, gender pay gaps across Hollywood aren't exactly a new issue. Take last year, for example. The highest paid actress from June of 2016 to June of 2017 was Emma Stone. She earned $42 million less than highest paid actor Mark Wahlberg. Wahlberg was also allegedly paid $1.5 million to do reshoots on All the Money in the World, when co-star Michelle Williams was said to have been paid less than $1,000. A spreadsheet for actor salaries is also being circulated, but hasn't taken off to the same degree.